The Great Wall is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. If you visit the Great Wall, you will enjoy the breathtaking views and learn about China's rich history. Other touristic sites is the Forbidden City was the home of the Chinese emperors for nearly 500 years. If you explore the Forbidden City, you will discover the fascinating history of ancient China. Other touristic sites is the Temple of the Heaven, a masterpiece of the traditional Chinese architecture. If you visit the Temple of the Heaven, you will admire one of the China's most beautiful monuments. And other tourist is the 798 Art District, a vibrant center of the contemporary art and creativity. If you visit the 798 Art District, you will experience Beijing's modern arts and culture. Other tourist sites from Beijing is the Tiananmen Square, one of the largest public squares in the world. If you visit the Tiananmen Square, you will see an important symbol of modern China. Okay,